Hello, I'm making a bike check real quick because I got my new parts from Dance Comp a couple days ago. So, alright, these are the ODI long neck grips in white. They're pretty nice, but they take a while to break in. Um, Over here, I got my United Trinity bars, 8-inch rise, 26-inch wide. They're pretty good bars, they're mad light. Got a gold Stolen Convict V3 stem. It's pretty nice. I mean, I don't really care about stems that much, but it's pretty nice for only 30 bucks. I got a Eastern Curb Monkey tire. It's from my old bike. Well, still my bike, but. And then I got a nitrous double shot front wheel, because that's all I really had at the moment to buy. And then I got a Shadow Conspiracy Creeper V3 35 fork. It's mad nice. There's a shadow symbol. It's pretty nice. And the frame, I got a Eastern Ramrodder 2010 stock frame. I don't really have that much money to spend right now, but I forgot my headset right here. Kink black headset integrated. 20 bucks, pretty nice. Over here, everything pretty much else is stock. Got the stock Eastern shaft cranks, Eastern crown pedals, Eastern back wheel, Eastern seat. It's not that bad of a seat though. Alright, and then over here, Shadow Interlock V2 chain in white. It's matte. It's a really nice chain. If you're gonna buy one, get that one. And same Eastern stock sprocket over here. Yep, that's my bike check. Peace.